I'm here at Carkeek Park to talk about sea level rise and how it will affect the Seattle area and coastline. In this video, we will talk about topics such as thermal expansion and how that is a factor that is most immediately affecting us first. God. Then dive into the potential massive risks, rises in sea level from glaciers and ice sheets. In the United States, it's almost 40% of the population lives in relatively high population density coastal areas. Global sea level has been rising over the past century, and the rate has increased in decades. Terrifying stuff. Sea level continues to rise at an alarming rate of about 1/8 of an inch per year. Over the past century, the burning of fossil fuels, and other human and natural activities has released enormous amounts of heat, trapped gases in the atmosphere. These emissions have caused the Earth's surface temperature to rise and the oceans to absorb about 80% of the additional heat. And boy, is it hot in here. Now I'm going to throw over to Alex, who's going to talk to you about the three main reasons why our sea levels are rising.
Hi, I'm Alex. So there's three primary causes of sea level rise, the first of which is thermal expansion. When water heats up, it expands. About half of the past century's rise in sea level is attributable to warmer oceans simply occupying more space. As the ocean warms, the density decreases, and thus even at constant mass, the volume of the ocean increases. The second reason is melting glaciers and polar ice caps. If all of the glacier ice on Earth were to melt, sea level rise would be around 80 meters or 265 feet, flooding almost every coastal city on the planet. If all of Earth's temperate glaciers melted, sea level rise would be between 0.3 and 0.6 meters, 1 to 2 feet. If all of Greenland's glaciers melted, sea level rise would be between 6 meters or 20 feet. If all of Antarctica's glaciers melted, sea level rise would be 73 meters, 240 feet. If all of Alaska's glaciers melted, sea level rise would be 0.12 meters or 4.7 inches. Sorry. Ice loss from Greenland and Antarctica is a huge problem. So although there has been melting, it has not been impacting us as significantly as thermal expansion. Some parts of Antarctica even aren't experiencing a significant melt. If the Earth were to warm significantly more, then a lot of cities would become Atlantis. There's a lot of mechanics in ice melting, like shelving. The water along Seattle's Puget Sound shoreline has risen by more than 6 inches during the past century. Climate change is expected to accelerate rising sea levels during the next century. Mean projections indicate that Seattle will experience 7 inches of sea level rise by 2050 and 24 inches by 2100. The highest projection indicates 19 to 56 inches by 2050 and 2100 respectively. While chronic inundation is a concern, sea level rise impacts will first be noticed episodically with more frequent tidal flooding events. Water levels associated with storm surges and king tides, annually occurring extreme events today, will eventually become monthly, even daily events. Seattle Public Utilities has developed tools to help visualize and evaluate impacts of sea level rise.
Hey, this has been Ben.
And this is Alex.
Thanks for watching. Don't be swallowed up by the waves.
Appreciate the views. Thank you.
Yeah. Have a great day. Bye.